Mazda, me fighting.
Oh, he jumped out the water right there.
Yeah.
He's definitely a big one. He jumped out the water. I don't know what this is. Oh, it's a big one. It's definitely a 24-incher. It's definitely a 24-incher. Look, he's still jumping out the water. Look, 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 look.
Oh my God.
Look.
That's bullshit. Oh yeah, I see where he at. He way over there.
He's definitely like a 24-incher.
Mm-hmm.
He gotta be a 24-incher. Oh, I was about to say he got off. He didn't though, he's still on there. He swam right towards me and I thought he got off. I'm at the Susquehanna River. He's swimming right towards me right now. He's swimming right towards me. He's swimming right towards me.
Really?
Yeah, he's swimming right towards me. There he comes.
He gave up.
Nah.
Look at the water.
Get back up to the top. Yeah, he's definitely a 24-incher. He's definitely a 24-incher.
Damn. He is. Bro, get the fuck out of here. That's crazy.
Got him? Yeah, he's definitely a 24-incher.
Oh shit. You tripping. Don't drag you.
Put him up here. Put him up here in the grass. He's recording. You getting bad footage. Cameraman? Hey, cameraman. You getting bad footage, man. Yeah, he's definitely a 24-incher. Hold on. Let me take him out real quick. Where my pliers at? Where my pliers at? Yeah, he's definitely like a 24-incher. How much you guys want to bet? 25 inches.
25 inches. Same. That's probably the same one. That's
25 inches.
Yep.
As y'all notice, I don't touch these type of fish, so you know what I mean. I just like catching them because they put up a fight. As y'all can see,
He's a fat one too. Fill his stomach.
I just told YouTube I don't touch these little suckers. You know what I'm saying? You talking about fill his stomach. He's tripping. My cameraman always tripping. Alright, I'm gonna hold this one up for y'all though. It's the only time I touch him. Yeah, he is a little fat.
I told you. Oh shit, he about to throw up?
He did just throw up.
I ain't throw. Go ahead and pick him up, bro. Go ahead, pick him up. Oh, he is pretty.
Get a release on this guy.
That shit is big as fuck.
You big size?
Yeah.
What y'all think? Alright.
Get him, show him a good.
Oh!
Damn, nigga.
Give me your camera. Don't stop it.